Hello, I'm Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, Alabama. We often talk about scheduled versus non-scheduled injuries in work comp in cases that we handle. I've talked in other videos what those are, but basically a non-scheduled injury is the body as a whole, meaning multiple body parts are impacted by this injury. A scheduled member injury is typically one body part, a hand, a foot, a finger, etc. However, there is an exception, two exceptions, where you can take a scheduled member injury and turn it into a non-scheduled member injury, thus increasing ultimately the value to your case. Cases in Alabama have addressed this, and there are these two exceptions. The first exception is when the effects of the one loss of the member, the scheduled member body part that's injured, impacts or extends to other parts of the body, and it interferes with the efficiency of the use of that body part, that other body part. Secondly, the other exception is when the pain either completely or almost completely physically debilitates a worker. And every case is fact specific and would have to be analyzed that way. But in order to potentially take a scheduled member injury and turn it into a non-scheduled injury or body as a whole, not only does there need to be subjective findings, such as the injured worker's testimony, things like that, but there needs to be objective findings as well, such as diagnostic testing, MRIs, nerve conduction tests, whatever it may be, depending on the injury that it is. If you have this scenario, and one example may be someone who has a crush injury to a lower part of a leg or an arm, and they're now suffering from chronic regional pain syndrome, CRPS. Sometimes those cases can turn a scheduled member injury into a body as a whole or a non-scheduled injury. If you have this scenario or have questions about it, just give us a call. 205-930-6900 is our office number. Nomberglaw.com is our website. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will ensure that you get videos as they come out.